identifying market trends ahead of time and maintaining a close dialogue with our customers, and pioneering new developments. That's Krone. Krone offers an extensive range of high-quality and dependable rotary tedders for tedding wilted silage and hay. The impressive things about Krone rotary tedders are a high quality of work and a high level of standard specification. Krone equipment requires no cumbersome and time-consuming setting, but offers the most convenient handling and operation. This includes hydraulic control of all rotor arms and guards as standard specification. The Krone rotary tedder chassis is made from large diameter box section steel that performs well in the most arduous conditions. The rotors are driven by semi-fluid grease gearboxes, which ensure very quiet running and are maintenance-free. The Super C tines are 9.5 mm strong and boast 5 coils for superior elasticity and are hard-wearing. Contaminated forage with Krone? No thank you. The Krone double tines do clean work because the inner tine is shorter than the outer to give the so-called Krone combing effect, which leaves you top-quality forage. The tine arms are made from extremely strong 38 by 4 mm tubular steel. This sturdy design, in combination with the reinforcing ring, withstands peak and permanent loads in heavy and wet crops. Depending on specification, each rotor uses 5 or 6 tine arms, while large diameter rotors even feature 7 arms. This means Krone rotary tedders operate absolutely consistently in all conditions. The tine arms provide generous overlapping to guarantee uniform spreading and excellent distribution. The result is an even mat of crop for high-quality forage. Absolutely smooth rotor running in all conditions thanks to Octolink, the 8-link clutch that provides frictional connection. Octolink is robust and operates reliably in any position. It has no grease points and is thus maintenance-free. The 16-inch balloon tires with anti-wrap guards float on undulating ground and ensure absolutely quiet running. Krone rotary tedders are on top of any work. The spreading angle is quickly adjusted from 12 to 19 degrees without tools using locking pins. The trailed versions are available with an optional front running wheel, which translates into absolutely clean rakes and is important in extremely undulating terrain. The Krone boundary spreading facility is available in 2 versions. A mechanical version, where spreading to the left or right is controlled from a lever that controls all wheels via a system of linkages. The hydraulic boundary spreading system is conveniently controlled from the tractor seat. Whether operating along boundaries or at right angles to the slope, once you test the hydraulic Krone boundary spreading system, you won't want to do without it. Krone KW rotary tedders eliminate the formation of forage heaps along field boundaries, ensuring uniform dry matter content throughout the field. An optional gearbox is available for haymaking and presenting the crop in narrow swathes. As these do not absorb as much ambient humidity at night, they allow the material to dry more rapidly. If you wish to produce quality, use quality. This is the tool that meets your demands. Krone rotary tedders are the specialists. They stand for top performance, top quality of work and top operator comfort. These machines guarantee best harvest results and boost your profits. The Krone 4 rotor rakes provide working widths from 4.6 to 5.5 meters. The Krone 4 rotor tedders offer cost-effective and low-weight options that bring excellent operator comfort to small and mid-sized businesses, as well as to mountain farming operations. 4 rotors and working widths from 4.6 to 5.5 meters meet professional demands. These machines deliver top work and impress by their straightforward and practical handling. The Krone KW series of rotary tedders is made to a modular concept. Even the smaller Krone KW rotary tedders are specified to professional standards, sharing many well-proven parts and components with their bigger siblings. These machines meet all demands users may possibly have, from tubular section tine arms to a boundary spreading facility. Compact by design, the rotary tedders KW4 62/4 and KW5 52/4 feature a low deadweight, are closely mounted to the tractor and have standard warning panels to ensure swift and safe road travel. The Krone 6 rotor tedders are 3-point hitch machines that provide working width from 6 to 7.8 meters. The Krone 6 rotor tedders are specialists in the preparation of wilted silage and hay. Providing optimal ground adaptation, excellent handling and perfect results, these 6 rotor machines have become the best sellers in the marketplace. It all works out in forage making when using these machines. The ideal equipment, 6 rotor tedders from Krone, are ideally suited for tedding 3 swathes in one operation. The tractor wheels are not running on the crop. Made up of individual sections and providing plenty of setting options, these tedders make for clean crops even in undulating terrain for quality forage. The Krone 6 rotor tedders boast strong chassis frames, drives and rotors. They are well proven as the finest silage making specialists in heavy crops. Krone 8 rotor tedders are 3-point hitch machines and provide work widths of 7.9 and 8.8 meters. The optimal machines for a wide variety of operations. Single-acting rams fold the sections into transport position and back into working position. The outer rotors swing in to give a low transport height. A transport width as narrow as 2.85 meters makes for safe and compact road travel. When it comes to preparing wilted silage and hay, the Krone 8 rotor tedder KW8 82/8 ticks all the boxes. 8 small rotors with the 5 or 6 tine arms each deliver superior tedding and turning results. The tine arms overlap generously for careful and thorough tedding. The optional hydraulic boundary spreading facility allows spreading to the left and right. The forced steer system not only facilitates tedding along boundaries, but also doing uphill headland turns. Krone rotary tedders leave a perfect spread pattern, even when working at large widths. For this reason, the models KW7 92/8 and KW8 82/8 meet fully the requirements of all grassland farmers. Trailed rotary tedders from Krone with 12 or 14 rotors and working at widths between 13.1 and 15.25 meters. If efficiency and first-class tedding and turning results are the order of the day, then you should look for the large trailed Krone rotary tedders. These rotary tedders are packed with cutting-edge technology and offer an extremely rugged design for outstanding longevity. The trailed rotary tedders are pulled by sturdy V-shaped frames. The design and the pivoting two-point hitch system combine to make for tightest headland turns. Optimum tracking is provided by accumulator arms with internal pressure springs and adjustable brakes. Heavy-duty drive. Drive power for the outer left and right rotors flows from a central transfer gearbox through the drive shafts to synchronize the two outer rotors. Small rotors. Each rotor has 6 tine arms and delivers optimal results. The hydraulic boundary spreading facility is standard specification on the trailed Krone rotary tedders. It operates both to the left and right. Big in the field, compact and safe on the road, at 40 kilometers per hour. A 2.88 meter transport width will guarantee safe passage anywhere and at any time. The warning panels, including lights, are standard specification. Krone technology, everything is synchronized. The frame sections fold in and out when the machine is stationary. The tractor is stationary, the operator remains seated. The wheels rotate through 90 degrees. The beefy and double-acting hydraulic rams smoothly fold out the sections. The strong and high-loading guards are automatically locked into working position. This special Krone design gives the rotary tedders extra strength, minimizes load on the rams, and provides superior stability across the entire working width. The KWT series rotary tedders consist of flexible individual frame segments. The design offers a number of benefits. In transport position, the machine weight rests on the 4 central wheels as well as on the 2 leading and rear wheels. All other wheels are lifted out. This machine manages every corner thanks to rigid and centrally mounted wheels to simulate a tandem axle. To reverse, the free pivoting wheels simply swivel around. Then the rigid wheels in the center take over. The maintenance-free brakes on the freely pivoting wheels ensure absolutely smooth running, even at 40 kilometers per hour. Krone technology, superb. Narrow on the road and wide in the field. Krone rotary tedders help to master any situation. In a class of its own, these high-output rotary tedders offer superior value for money. Folding mechanisms that are susceptible to wear? Expensive running gear? Not with Krone. These trailed rotary tedders feature an exemplary and straightforward design, and, thanks to their great functionality, a superior efficiency. working widths of up to 15.25 meters, work rates of up to 15 hectares per hour, achieved by one tractor and one man. Krone facts that count. The trailed Krone rotary tedders are true workaholics and deliver a premium quality of work. Krone, leading the market, innovative and listening to its customers. Tedding at large widths, even behind a small tractor. The trailed Krone KWT rotary tedders are particularly suited for tractors of low lift capacities. The KWT 7.82/6x7 of 7.8 meters working width. KWT 8.82/8 working at 8.8 meters. KWT 11.22/10 working at 11 meters. KWT 2000 spanning over 20 meters. These Krone rotary tedders impress by spreading the material perfectly and uniformly across the entire working width. In the field, the running gear is up and clear out of the tedding range. And once the job is finished, it swings down into transport position. The entire process is sequenced electronically, including folding the rotor sections. Attached in the tractor link arms and running on its special transport running gear, KWT gives quiet rides behind the tractor. Approved for 40 kilometers per hour, these implements make for fast travel between sites. Krone KWT 2000, the tedder of a new dimension, spanning 20 meters. The new KWT 2000 trailed rotary tedder delivers unsurpassed capacity and quality. The 18 small diameter rotors treating the crop intensively and gently at the same time, and at a full working width of 20 meters. Depth is controlled hydraulically and on the move. The wheels on the forced steer transport running gear automatically assume the best of two positions. In field mode, the high flotation transport wheels turn in the same sense as the wheels on the bogies. This eliminates scuffing when turning on the headland or tedding awkward plots, protecting the sward. In transport mode, the transport wheels are running right behind the tractor wheels. This way, the machine gives easy pulling through narrow gates and down narrow and curved roads for quick travel between fields at 40 kilometers per hour and at less than a 3-meter width. The rotor sections of KWT 2000 fold in and out from the stationary tractor. A hydraulic spring locks automatically. As it does so, it also locks the tractor's link arms and the machine itself in position. This Krone technology ensures the machine maintains its balance as it is unfolding and as long as the rotors are raised. When the rotors are in working or transport position, the spring slackens automatically. In transport position, KWT 2000 is running in line behind the tractor, whereas in working position, its transport wheels automatically swing into the same direction of travel as the wheels on the bogies. Gentle on the sward and very manoeuvrable in curves and corners, KWT 2000 takes efficiency to a new dimension. Maintenance-free Octolink finger clutches, liquid-greased rotor gearboxes and extra strong beams tick every box. Krone KWT 2000 saves time and protects the sward. Krone. Progress is action.